sometimes sunny, well, there is some good news. But we'll start off with tonight's picture, and to be honest, the satellite picture does not help at all to tell the story, because it's going to be a fairly chilly night, especially inland in England. A fairly widespread hoarfrost, so it'll be white grass, have to scrape the windscreen, some mist around, maybe the Vale of York is most at risk, but around the edges it's going to be above zero, especially up the western side of the country, through Northern Ireland and Scotland, the winds being particularly strong there. The lowest temperatures will be inland, and I shouldn't think anywhere will get much below -1. Now, if we look at the next couple of days, in fact the next 4 days, high pressure dominates. It's pushing these frontal systems out of the way, but there's a tightness in the isobars, and you know what that means. It means windy weather, I should think, for the next 4 days. In fact, gale force winds for tomorrow, southerlies running up through the Hebrides. They'll affect the Irish Sea as well, but this is the area where the thickest cloud will be. Spots of rain maybe in the outer Hebrides. Everywhere else will be a mixture of patchy cloud, even some sunshine, some spells of rather dull weather, but pretty windy, and I think feeling quite cold, especially on the east coast, and especially, once again, in England. Now, the winds are going to be a feature of the next 4 days, but especially tomorrow, where they're going to be very strong, touching gale force through the Irish Sea, but especially in the Hebrides, but quite brisk almost everywhere else. So with temperatures in England at a degree or so below today's, at 6s or 7s quite commonly, it is going to be chilly. But look at the remarkable mildness up here. 11 to 12, Northern Ireland and Scotland, that could be the place to go. But what we're actually drawing in is cold air from further east. Many places in Poland and certainly across and towards Russia didn't get above freezing by a long way today. It's that sort of air we're drawing in towards us. I don't think it'll get that cold, but we are going to notice a chill. So for the next couple of days then, continuing slow cooling down the eastern side of the country, some sunshine, generally dry and generally pretty windy and chilly. But the weekend temperatures really do start to drop. Snow flurries never very far away, say Holland and the North Sea, generally dry, some sunshine, but wrap up warm.